Hello, I'm Colin Braithwaite from Braith Heritage Supplies. We're working with sustainablebuild.co.uk and we're just going to show you some of the tools that we use for line pointing. We'll start at the beginning with safety goggles, which are cheap and cheerful and well worth the expense. Lime mortar burns, and if you get it in your eyes, it's not worth the hassle. You might as well just put a pair of safety goggles on. Churn brush. We use this a lot. This is a must-have piece of kit. We use this for brushing out our work to start with, but also, more importantly, we use this to finish the pointing at the end of the day, which we'll show you later on. Obviously, lump hammer for knocking out. Nicking chisel. We find these are quite good for getting in, obviously, narrow work and breaking out the pointing. Various straight chisels, various thicknesses, obviously, for different types of work. Bucket trowel. A very handy piece of kit, obviously to get the lime mortar out of the buckets, but also you can use this for when you're pointing. If you get a pointing trowel, you can get your lime mortar on it and then just use it as a working tool. Round gauge trowel. These are a lot better when they're worn, by the way. And this actually was a pointing trowel, but we've used it that long now. It's nicely worn, and you find it a lot easier to work with. Finger trowels. These are quite handy. Obviously, you need varying widths for varying widths of work, and to help you speed it up and slow down, whichever you're trying to do. And then we have one of our trowels, a square one at this end and pointed at the other. And we tend to use this if we're on fine, intricate work.